Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys on how to transfer MATIC from Binance Exchange to Alphawallet or trustwallet in Polygon network. I will show you guys on how to do that on both of the wallet. Well, firstly, we're going to get some amount of MATIC, whether you purchase it from the exchanges or transfer it from other exchanges. In case you are in Binance, you always have the option to convert in other crypto to MATIC. Now what you have to do is actually click on the MATIC. There will be two buttons at the bottom, so what you have to do is actually click on the withdraw. Then you have to proceed to paste an address from MATIC itself. So what you have to do is actually go to your own wallet. Doesn't matter whether the wallet is actually Alphawallet or trustwallet, but usually I'm going to use this Alphawallet because it is much more easy to use. So from here, what you have to do is click on the Polygon mainnet. Then on the bottom side, there will be two buttons. Click on the receive. As usual, copy the address. In case you are using trustwallet, it is also the same thing. It's just that you have to get the address. So what you have to do is actually click on the receive. Then proceed click on the Polygon. Then the process is just the same. Click on the copy to copy the address. Then we have to paste it to the Binance as well, to the Binance exchange. So basically what we have to do is actually obtain the address from the wallet. After you copy the address from the Alphawallet, paste it in the Binance exchange. Then there will be a network selection. Please choose correct network. In this case, it will be Polygon. Then afterward, click confirm. Insert the amount that you want to send to your wallet. It is advisable to try to test first. So try to send a small amount of MATIC first, like 1 MATIC, and check whether you receive it or not afterward. After you insert all of the details, click withdraw. Then proceed with confirm. It will prompt you to insert 2FA if you have one. Insert, then submit. This page will pop out. Then you will need to wait for 10 minutes. Usually it won't take long because Polygon network is quite fast, and if not congested, you will need to wait less than 3 minutes. You can check the progress of the transfer by doing this. Go to wallet and click spot, then click withdrawal. Then click your recent transaction. In this case, it is already completed. In case the MATIC is still not transferred yet, it will show in progress at the status. Click under your transaction on the recent one. It will show here the detail of the transfer that you're doing right now or already done. Now you can go back to your wallet to check whether you already received your MATIC or not. After 10 minutes, you can check your wallet and the amount will be reflected in your wallet. Please make sure you have the appropriate wallet to transfer in MATIC network. Sometimes it's going to take some time to transfer due to the congestion. Thank you for watching this channel. I hope this helped and see you guys next time. Bye.